Greetings, friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and I got a box in the mail from MGB Guitars, parts supplier, and I have no idea what's inside this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera up here at an angle, facing down here, and then I'm going to open this thing up and see what the heck's inside. Got my trusty Leatherman here. These things are actually made in Portland. All right, the suspense is killing me. Rock the box. All right, that's cool. All right, looks like we got some stickers here. A patch. Oh my gosh, check this out. This looks like a sealed box that it's got bracing and everything on the inside. Wow. Dang. Oh, dang. Wow. That's actually a very unique piece right there. A solid box. Won't open. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna have to get creative. Oh my gosh, look at that wood striping there. I don't know if you can see it in this light. That is beautiful. And it feels substantial. I mean, I can tell there's a block up here. So, I don't know if you can see inside there. All right. This stuff is some pre-made neck hair with a scarf and just a lovely headstock. Wow. With a nut, and it looks like a rosewood fretboard. Oh, I bet this goes together. I bet that's a... Okay. I'm guessing that these two go together. But anyhow, it's got the dots on it already. Dots on the top. Might have to polish the ends of these frets just a little bit, but my gosh. Curvature on this thing and the finish are just awesome. Wow. Dang. Okay, let's see what this is here. This looks like this looks like a flat pickup. Two of them actually. They're stuck together because they're magnets. Okay, let's see if I can open this up without destroying anything here. Don't cut the leads. Okay, these look like the little flat wound style pickups. I've actually never used one of these yet, so I'll have to use one of these. Okay, cool. So there's actually a few of those in there, I guess. Two. All right, I'm not so smart, so I don't know what that is. Piece of metal with a hole in it. I'm sure once you tell me, I'll be all like, oh yeah. But as it stands right now, I don't know what that is, so. I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. Okay, tuners. These are the closed back chromium tuners. These are the nice ones. Awesome. Oh wow. And I'm guessing this is a template of some sort. Again, I'm what's the word? Oh, maybe this is a notch template. Gosh, dude, I don't know. I don't feel like I'm smart enough to know. Yeah, I guess that's maybe match the pickup. This thing is wrapped rather well. It's preventing me from opening it really fast, so that's good. And I don't want to harm it. All right, this is an ukulele neck, all done for, or maybe a mandolin. I don't know, mandolin, ukulele. But look at that. Look at this component. That's, I guess it's a bolt to bolt it on. I'm gonna have to do some research here, some studying, and figure this out. But I can just tell by there's a. Oh, these frets are awesome, man. Beautiful. And these are the pickups. Some more tuners. Oh wow. I don't want to turn this upside down because there's a lot of little tiny little parts in here, but I do see some tuners. And oh, maybe the saddle. Yeah, the saddle. Tuners and the saddle. So this is a kit. Resonator bowls. Oh wow, a few of these. Copper resonator. Man, I could hit that with that liver of sulfur and age that up, because that liver of sulfur does really good on copper. I'm getting inspired. Thinking, my mind is racing now. I'm thinking, what the heck can I do with that? Screws? You can never have enough screws, that's for sure. These are probably specific screws for... Okay, I'm trying to keep all this stuff organized here. Let's see here. These look like single coil pickups. Let me, man, all right. Okay, volume control knob. One of those ones with the knurled edges. Two of them. Oh, corners. These are the cute little corners. Check it out. Let me open that up. Oh yeah, these are cool. These are already look like they're aged somewhat here. Sorry, I don't have better light. Pull it down here maybe. So these look like they're brass or bronzed. Those are cool. I'm gonna keep those ready and available right there. And it looks like they have their dedicated bronze screws that go with it. Okay, so I'm guessing that this is a single coil. If the other one was a humbucker, then I'm guessing that this is a single coil only because it's smaller. But it's that little thin liner. Okay. I'm actually kind of curious to try these out here. A little thin single coil pickup. All right. And made in China. It's a thin single coil as well. So we got 2 of those bad boys. Oh wait, look at this one here. That one looks like a little rail kind of pickup. Never used any of this kind of stuff before, so it'll be very curious to experiment with this. I'm gonna do my research first before I just start doing stuff. And I'm guessing that this is just a pickup cover. I don't know if it goes upside down this way or this way. I don't know. Screws. That's how you learn, though, right? Yeah, this is another one. Oh yeah, okay, that's what they got to be, because this one here looks like it's a size for the humbucker. So that's got to be the cover for the pickup. Maybe the undercover or the top cover, I don't know. I know what this is. This is a single coil sized humbucker. And these things rock. Oh my gosh, the outputs of these things are just incredible. I think some people call them like hot rails or whatever, because they look like the rails of a train track or something. Hot rail kind of a pickup. But it's the size of a single coil, but the power of a humbucker. So these things are actually awesome. Oh wow, look at that. A chrome mini humbucker, and you can actually see the reflection of yourself in the camera there. Man, that's cool. Okay, we're getting down to the wire here, folks. Trying to keep everything organized. Okay, so screws. And okay, this is another, okay, I think they call this the lipstick style pickup. And it's got a chrome face on it as well, single coil. Love these guys, man. These are awesome. And wiring harnesses, the volume and tone with the it's all wired up to the jack and everything with the washers and the nuts. That's good. 2 sets of that, all with a switch. This one's got a switch on it. So, oh my gosh. Michael Breedlove, thank you so much, sir, for your kindness and for your inspiration and your support. I'm going to definitely be doing some building now, and I'll be sure to give you some shout outs. So I will put your link in the video description below, mjbguitars.com. And look forward to good things, man. I'm like I said, I'm inspired, and I can't wait to start building. So I've been thinking about it and it dawned on me. Okay, I know what this is for now. Duh. Hello. So I think you have to drill a hole here that matches this guy here. So you drill that hole there, and then this is going to be like a big flat washer on the inside, and then you just get a ratchet and then tighten that thing down and it snugs this guy up. All right, so I'm still kind of wondering about these little trays. So you put the pickup in it, and then with these little screw holes here, screw it to the underside of the box so it's flat. I'm guessing because there's no screw holes on this guy. There are holes in it that you could screw through it, so I'm guessing that you could do that if you need to. But if that's the case, what do you do with this little wire here? So I've never used these kind of pickups or these trays before, so if you know how to do that, be sure to help me out. I could research it myself, but I think I'll let you guys tell me what the heck to do. All right, guys. Go check out MGBGuitars.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video.